Sheriff's office, start eviction. Sheriff's office, here to serve eviction for everybody inside this residence. Okay, we're serving eviction. Open up the door, ma'am.
I'm not getting an eviction from nobody. I've been here for 20 years. I'm not evicted. You go through a process. I haven't been through no process. Can't nobody just come up here. My name is Miss Green.
Okay, Miss Green, Deputy Sutton. We post a notice on your door.
That's not, it said unknown. I'm a known person. I don't know what that means.
Miss Green, is anybody else in there with you?
My grandson is in here with me.
Okay, how's your grandson?
He's 19.
19. Okay. Why didn't you go to the courthouse when the notice was posted on the door?
I'm not an unknown person. I'm Zoanne Green. I've been here for 20 years. They don't have no contracts with me to be doing nothing with anyone. So I don't know why they're here talking about they can evict me and all this stuff. So you go past foreclosure to evict, to get no. Listen, this is a scam and the bank.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving straight into a chaotic eviction showdown. The homeowner refuses to acknowledge the legal process, claiming sovereign land protection. From the very first knock on the door, tension skyrockets as the narrator frames the story and sets the stage. This opening perfectly establishes the conflict, stakes, and the defiant attitude of the occupant, instantly grabbing your attention and making you question what will happen next.
Jurisdiction over me. I'm indigenous to this land. This is my property. I've been here. That's why they can't touch me. Now this person comes over here talking about, oh, I just purchased this house from an auction with no paperwork in his hand. He just called. I could have killed him. You don't come up to nobody's home talking about what you got. You ain't got nothing in your hand. You just talking. Like, who the fuck does? Everybody knows it. This my life. The light bill has been in my name for 20 years. I have been here. This is my home. Okay, can't nobody buy somebody's home off from under them if they don't have no paperwork or no nothing.
Okay,
That's not right.
Ms. Green.
So you can't evict me for nothing.
Well, my question to you, Ms. Green, why didn't you go to the courthouse?
Because the papers say unknown. I'm not an unknown. If you have something, I've been, all my neighbors know me. I'm part of the neighborhood watch. Why is my name not on any paperwork? Explain that to me. I'm not unknown. I'm very known. So I don't know what kind of eviction you're doing, but it's illegal.
Right.
You can't evict
I'm
me.
doing a court order, ma'am.
Well, I don't know what court order. What name is it under?
It's under 3718.
That's not a name. That's an address.
Here we see the homeowner doubling down, insisting the eviction doesn't apply to her because of her sovereign beliefs. She's convinced she's untouchable, while the narrator quickly exposes the flawed logic and explains the real-world consequences. The clash of misinformation against legal reality creates tension. The homeowner's 20-year occupancy claim versus the auctioned ownership highlights the absurdity, keeping viewers glued as the battle of perception unfolds.
I'm here, and the court order was signed by the judge saying to do the eviction.
For who?
I'm just explaining
Okay,
to you.
go ahead.
It's for the property.
No, you can't evict.
You're
Really?
telling me
So you
no,
think you
want
can
me to
come
read it?
here and evict somebody off of a property and you don't even have their name?
Okay. It doesn't require me to have a name. You want to read this portion?
Are you fucking serious too?
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna let you read this.
I don't need to read none of that. I don't want to read it. It don't have nothing to do with me.
It has to do with this property. It says
This is my property under my name. You don't even have a name on there.
the screen.
Now, the official court order is presented, but the homeowner refuses to engage, claiming the papers are meaningless without her name. This standoff illustrates a classic paper versus person confrontation. The suspense builds as the sheriff's authority collides with her defiance. Each line intensifies the drama, emphasizing the absurdity and legal tension, leaving viewers wondering if compliance or escalation will come next.
Florida, which we're in, to the Orange County Sheriff's Office, which county we're in.
So you're gonna throw me out of my house right now?
I have no choice, ma'am. This is what
Where
the court
we?
order says. Yes.
Y'all come throw all my shit out there. Since you're gonna do that
So it says-
to an indigenous person
So
of
it
this
says,
land, so you go
to
do
remove
it.
all persons.
You're not removing me from my property. So you about to take me out of here? How?
Voluntarily, preferably.
You listen, I'm telling you, you're not removing me out of my property.
Okay.
I'm not leaving, so.
Okay. We don't want to take you to jail, sir.
Really?
Right.
This is pathetic. Y'all are something else. And God will deal with you.
We don't want to get to that
God
point.
will deal with you.
Okay.
I'm not leaving my house. This is my property. You walk up here with a guy. What is he doing? Who is that white man coming up here trying to take black?
This is the apex of the standoff. The homeowner outright refuses to leave, threatening divine justice while officers warn of jail time. The tension is electric as her defiance clashes with legal authority, showcasing a raw, high-stakes moment. The suspense peaks here as viewers watch the struggle between personal conviction and law enforcement unfold in real time. Every word amplifies the emotional weight, making this clip impossible to look away from.
With no name on no paper.
You keep one, sir.
There's no name on that paper. You think you can throw me out of my house? That is against the law. I'm sorry. You can't.
All right, sir, you gotta leave, man. You got a court order to move off.
I gotta leave. But look,
If
all
you
my
like,
stuff
you can
is
go
in
to-
here.
you
All
can
my
go to
life
the
is
court.
in here. I've been here for 20 years.
3718.
Really?
Just like, that's your mother?
This is my grandson.
Okay, just like I was praying to your grandmother, we got a court order to remove all persons from this address.
31.
I need the supervisor to come over here or somebody. Because I'm not, this is not happening to me. They think they can just come and take you out your home. That is.
Here, the narrator reflects on the consequences of her choices, highlighting how ignoring court appearances and following pseudo-legal beliefs has closed off remedies she could have had. The homeowner's persistence contrasts sharply with the logical, regretful explanation, creating a powerful emotional tension. This segment blends moral judgment with human drama, showing the real cost of defiance, making the audience both frustrated and empathetic.
Okay, so that's what we're doing right now.
You can't evict some. They don't even have my name on their paperwork. They just want to throw me up out of here. And that guy over there did it. He went and got them. With no paperwork, just come to your house. Y'all do that to black people all day long. He got some paperwork with nobody's name on it. And he thinks he can for the property, not the persons that's in the
Step out,
property.
sir.
You can step out there.
Yeah, you're not in trouble.
I'm
You
not
want to see
scared
it,
of these
right? So
people.
it says step out. Okay.
And I don't even know why you're showing it to him. I'm the grown person.
You didn't want to look at it, man.
I don't need that. And my name ain't on
He's
it.
in the door, right?
Yeah, but my name ain't on it.
We're in the state of Florida, right?
You don't even have his
I work
glasses
for the
on.
Orange County Sheriff's Office. You are commanded to remove all persons from 3718
I
City
can't
Hall
believe
Avenue
this. I'm
and
really
put
appalled
this
right
company
now,
in possession of the property.
This is a shame. So I don't know where they think I'm gonna go. I don't have
They
no
don't
place
say
to go. I'm gonna sit here on this damn porch.
To remove the person out the house?
Remove all persons.
That's a shame.
So,
That's-
so your
I'm gonna
best
have to
interest
sue
to gather
the
your
shit.
belongings because we're
I don't
doing
have
this
I don't have nowhere
try
to.
to fight this.
Really?
But I
But I
can't-
need to get out of my
I
house
can't
first.
stop this eviction.
That is a shame. And look at you.
Yeah, we don't enjoy doing this.
Yes, you
But I have a
you,
court order
you
to
think
do
you're
it.
some, you think
Okay,
that
so
this is beautiful.
This eviction is
You
going to
love
happen,
to do-
Screen.
I'm not leaving my house. I'm not. I've been living here for 20 years. You want me to just up and leave because you came over here on my porch telling me what I got to do. My name ain't on nothing. So you gonna take me to jail?
Man, we don't want to do that.
You don't want to, but you will in a heartbeat. You don't care about nobody. You have nothing inside of you.
That is not
Nothing.
preferred option.
And I pray for you because something gonna happen to both of y'all for coming in here trying to remove somebody from their house because of that piece of shit. That ain't, he's a foreigner.
It's not a cost
on
of-
my
it's the
land.
cost of the court order.
You will pay dearly, honey, if I
Right.
leave here. Because I don't have no place to go and I'm not leaving. I got too much shit to get out of here. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but you might need to go back to the judge and tell him I said to call me.
That's something you should have did, man.
I don't need to do that. That's not none of it is on my name is not on any. They're not talking to me.
Okay. So you're not a person,
I'm not my name. I have a name and an identity.
but you are a person, right?
It doesn't say person. It says, it needs to say the person that has been here, the light bill is in my name for
So that's
20
something
years.
you will have to talk to the court about.
I don't need to talk to no court. I'm indigenous. This is my land.
Wow, the land of make-believe.
Finally, we get the perspective of the auction buyer, who calmly explains the procedural and practical side of the eviction. The homeowner's sovereign claims clash with reality, bringing closure while still keeping the tension of uncertainty. This clip ties the story together, showing the aftermath from both sides. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. This outro leaves viewers informed, entertained, and ready for more.